They say that by strapping rocket thrusters to a car and hitting the gas toward a ramp, you can launch your vehicle into the air. One daredevil even claimed to have flown 1.6 kilometers at 560 kilometers per hour before crashing off a cliff. But can a car really rocket that far? To find out, Adam Botta used Chevy and carved out a large cavity in the rear bumper to fit the thrusters. Glenn added a remote control system, and Jamie mounted 5 rocket engines, each producing 9 knots of thrust. A steel beam on the front bumper kept the balance centered. In their first desert test, De Piao Liang hit the ignition at 322 km per hour, but a strange odor filled the cockpit as the rockets fired. The car lifted off, flipped twice in midair, and slammed back down when the front wheels unexpectedly turned sideways. The wreck was totaled. Undeterred, they sourced another Chevy and built a launch ramp. Rolling onto the ramp, the rockets ignited perfectly and the car roared skyward like a fire dragon, yet it only flew a few dozen meters before hard impact. The thrust knocked it back up, sending it over in a brutal somersault before it finally came to rest. Even with a ramp and powerful rockets, the car barely cleared a few dozen meters, not 1.6 kilometers. This myth is busted.